Hey all, this is Aaron. I wanted to give a quick video here to show you a couple tips about stamping in clay. I like to use a cornstarch blotter, and so this is just a little scrap of t-shirt material with some cornstarch in here. If you find yourself a small scrap and make a nice little pile of cornstarch in there, then you can pull up the corners of your cloth, get it all nicely pulled up here, and then you can wrap a rubber band or a twist tie around the material like I'll do here. I find a twist tie super easy, so open and close it, no big deal. And now the cornstarch is inside this fabric, and you'll find that if you just pat that down, you're going to leave a nice smooth coating of cornstarch on the surface of something. So what I use this for is when I have a stamp, and this is just a piece of earthenware clay that I hand carved and then fired, and if I pat my cornstarch onto that stamp, that thin layer of cornstarch will help prevent the clay from sticking too much to the stamp and getting stuck inside the details. You'll see it leaves a little bit of white behind, but the cornstarch burns off in the firing when I fire these little tiles. And these are just going to be clay sample tiles, so no big necessity to have any kind of perfection here, but you'll have many opportunities and occasions when you might want to have some sort of surface or stamp that you're going to press into a clay slab. And this is a really easy approach to make sure that you have a way to pull that stamp free from the clay and not have it stick too much. Hope that's helpful. Give it a try. And check out some other videos, including upcoming videos on how to make some stamps. See you soon.